I research ocular melanoma, sharing insights on research, treatment, and living with ocular melanoma. Please share this episode. It could save a life.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. I am joined today by a special guest from T Scan Therapeutics. This is Dr. Debra Barton. She is a medical oncologist as well as the chief medical officer at T Scan Therapeutics. So, Debra, can you just tell us a little more about yourself, your career, and just really like what do you feel fueled by as far as what you do for a living?
Thank you. And first off, thanks so much for the opportunity to be here, and thanks for the invitation. It's an honor. So since a very young age, I was always curious about cancer, and I would see, famous people on TV who had cancer, and then cancer spreads, and I just didn't understand it. And I wanted to understand the disease, why it happens, how it happens, what happens, and then understand treatments. What are the available treatments? And is it good enough? Is it not good enough? What else can we do to improve it? And that's interesting because I was very young when I started thinking about those things, and I could never step away from it. So with that kind of desire to understand and to change, I went to med school, and then I went to oncology fellowship. And I really loved the mystery and the complexity and the need to do something different and to create change. So I practiced oncology for a few years until I was offered an opportunity in a biopharmaceutical company where I was getting closer and closer to drug development, given that the current standard of care for me was not sufficient. I thought that we needed to discover new things. So that's what brought me to biotechnology and ultimately to cell therapy, which is what I'm doing today with T Scan.
That's incredible. Thank you so much for sharing that.